Yes, at exactly 18 minutes after 10, I hereby call this fellowship to order.
It is very important to equip yourselves with digital skills, and that is what we are here to achieve today.
Empowering the girl child through digital literacy. The Rotary Club of Akumojo recently organized a successful program to commemorate the International Day of the Girl Child at Millennium Secondary School, Egbeda, Akumojo. The president of Rotary Club of Akumojo, Rotarian David Amowe, reiterated the club's commitment to advocating for the girl's child and promoting digital literacy.
My name is David Amowe Ahemoyefe. I am the 40th president of Rotary Club of Akumojo, the Achievers Club. Now, today we are celebrating the International Day of the Girl Child, which actually was on the 11th, on Saturday. But we are marking it today, and we are celebrating it in Millennium School here. And we're basically here to celebrate the girl child. Then also we organize some seminar pertaining tech to improve the girl child. That's basically why we're here. Now, if you look at the seminar itself, in terms of the technology aspect of it, you agree with me that the world, in terms of tech, is ahead of time. So they learning this at this time would definitely improve their knowledge in technology, which will also help them to be tech savvy, which will give them that advantage of tomorrow. You see, as I said, we are concentrating on the girl child now. Yes, though we have that for the boy child, but that of the girl, that of the technology will surely improve them and make them be ahead of time and make them be ahead of other people who have that tech advantage. So definitely, if you talk of the advantage and disadvantage, yes, we look at more of the gain than the negative part of it. And as one of the facilitators mentioned, they should concentrate on that and try to take advantage of the tech world to improve their lives in the future. My name is David Amowe Ahemoyefe from Rotary Club of Akumojo, the Achievers Club.
The event themed Empower Our Digital Skills for Today and Tomorrow aimed to equip young girls with the digital skills necessary to thrive in today's technology-driven world. The program featured insightful speakers who shared their expertise on various aspects of digital literacy, including digital advantage, online security, and how to leverage digital skills to earn a living. One of the speakers emphasized the vast opportunities available to young people, particularly girls, in the digital space.
My name is Olafare Comfort Oladuni. I am the founder of Aduni Save a Girl Foundation. I'm the deputy chairman of the National Youth Council of Nigeria, and I am the legislative assistant to the senator representing Lagos East Senatorial District. Okay, honestly, I must commend Rotary Club of Akumojo for coming up with this wonderful program, because we cannot overemphasize the fact that the world is going digital, and if our girls are not digitally inclined, it means that they are not going to move with the world. They are going to be stagnant, and it's not going to be of good, because if you train a girl, you have succeeded in training a nation, because she will not only keep the knowledge to herself, she will go out there to inform others about it, to educate other people, and to help the society get better. So I say kudos for coming up with such a program like this. Digital is very, very important now. It's what is trending in the country, not only in Nigeria, but across the world. And helping our girls to be inclined digitally is what we need, so that Nigeria can also move forward and be able to compete with other organizations and other countries across the globe. And as the CEO of Ofort Media, I understand quite all right the importance of media, the importance of digital, and the importance of what is happening today. So I say congratulations to the girls who have benefited from this, because no doubt it was a great event. And I say congratulations to Rotary Club of Akumojo for coming up with this beautiful program. My name is Olafare Comfort Oladuni. I'm the founder of Aduni Save a Girl Foundation, the deputy chairman of the National Youth Council of Nigeria, the legislative assistant to senator representing Lagos East Senatorial District, the CEO of Ofort Media, and the founder of Duni Signature Limited. Thank you.
She encouraged students to explore their passion and talents, highlighting how digital skills can be used to make money online, regardless of their student status. This empowering message inspired the girls to take control of their digital futures and explore the endless possibilities available to them.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Fatoye Hajarat Muralake. I am the head girl of Millennium Senior Secondary School, Egbeda. Today's program is to celebrate the International Girls' Day, which is usually on the 11th of October. Then, in this program today, I have learned a lot and I really appreciate it. I learned that as a girl child, I have a power, I have a voice, and I can use that voice. I also learned how to use the internet to build up myself and to benefit from the internet positively, not just make online videos and trending like dance and all. The internet has an advantage, yes, but it can also be used wrongly. As a girl, not even as a girl alone, as a young child, before you post anything on the internet, you need to protect, scan or check through before you post. My name is Fatoye Hajarat Muralake. I am the head girl of Millennium Senior Secondary School, Egbeda.
Another speaker, Rotarian Mercy George, stressed the importance of security consciousness in the digital age. She educated the girls on how to protect themselves online, avoiding exposure to digital potential risks and threats.
My name is Rotarian Oyinlola Saleh, and I am the chairperson for the International Day of the Girl Child program for Rotary Club of Akumojo. Okay, the theme for today's event is Empower Her. Digital skills for today and tomorrow. It is all about educating, empowering, and of course elevating these young girls. We know that in this era we are in, digital skills is very, very important. These girls need to know how they can use their computer, their Android, their tablets, and also their phones, not just to play games, but to be very productive in terms of doing so many things like coding, like doing graphics, like in terms of digital marketing, social media management, all those things. That is the world we're in now, the digital era. And we need to empower these girls in the digital way so that they can be better women who are equipped for the future. All right, well, the only way the governments can come to bridge the gap is by ensuring that the schools we have right now become smart schools, where they have equipment in the schools that make the schools to be smart schools, where they have digital boards in their classrooms. All the children in the schools, they have access to tablets, Android tablets, they have access to computer, they have access to all those things to make them to be digitally, educated. My name is Rotarian Oyinlola Saleh, the chairperson of International Day of the Girl Child events.
Ensuring they can harness the benefit of digital technology while minimizing its risk.
Good afternoon. My name is Rotarian Oladosu Taiwo Olameposi. I am the service project chair, Rotary Club of Akumojo. All right, today we are celebrating the International Day of the Girl Child. October 11 is the date for that event, but because of the weekend and holiday, that is why we reschedule us to be this day, 15th of October 2025. We are celebrating the girl child. They are so important to our community, and we must not look down on them. We must celebrate them every day, every time, every minute, because they are special being. As we all know that we are in digital world, and it is 21st century, and all we need to do is that for a girl child, you just need to bring yourself to that place. To that point, you need to use media as part of you. Media should be part of you, what you do every day. Like one of the students answered today that, what do you do with your phone? She said she used Chat GPT, and I was amazed that if a girl at your age is using Chat GPT to ask for questions you don't understand, that means we are getting there. Parents cannot do it alone. That is why we need to come in as an organization to see how we can sensitize people coming behind the girl child to know what they need to do about their digital world, what they can use media to do, and how it can benefit them. there is a Yoruba adage that says, we cannot leave the job to the government alone. We cannot leave the job to the teachers alone. Also, the parents need to be part of this. Like we have phones now that have age that you can use, what they can operate on that phone. Like your children, your child, a girl child must be able to use phone by herself. They must know what they need to do on that phone. When you get them, like when you get a girl child a pad, you must tell her this is what you need to do. What you install on that phone also matters. And from there, they will get to know what they will use the phone to do. And like they are growing up in our church, that should be part of what we do, sensitization about what they need to do with their phone. Also at our place or at our church, at their school, and every area we find ourselves, we need to let the girl child know that that is what they need to do every day, and that will help them, and that will encourage them to know what they can do. While leaving school, they will still venture into that. Like one of the speakers said today, said he has been doing editing since using CapCut, and now she has a media firm that she's running for international and local chapter. So a girl child should emulate that, and before you know it, they're also in where they are looking up to. We are here today. I will say this, that we are still going back to the community. We will not stay here alone. I want to urge everyone watching online, everyone that's going to be coming across this video, that we need to go back to our community. Like I said, to the church, the community leaders. The girl child is very important to us. The girl child will produce a mother, and the mother will produce the kids we are looking up to today. So they are the first people we should look onto. I value girl child, and I must say it every day. I love girl child. I did not hate boy child because we still have a project we are planning to hold for boy child. So I love girl child, and I want us to please, everyone watching should please look into that. Girl child is very important to us in this populace. I am the service project chair, Rotary Club of Akumojo.